Dear Mr. Alexander, comma, we are sending you this reminder that on and after 1st February the price of the Porter car, comma, with the new 16 cylinder motor, comma, will be advanced, full stop. We suggest that you enter your order immediately, comma, so that you may secure your car at the current price, full stop. You need not take delivery of the car at once, full stop. If you prefer, comma, you can place your order now, comma, at the present price, comma, and you may take delivery of the car several months later, full stop. We do not think you will ever have another opportunity of buying one of these beautiful cars at the current price, full stop, and we suggest that you permit our representative to call and interview you about the matter, full stop. We enclose a stamped addressed envelope for your reply, full stop. Very truly yours, and close.